OpenAI launches GPT-4o, which stands out as a significant uplifting in AI technology. Combining natural voice assistance with vision capabilities gives a human-like interaction experience. The vision capabilities imply that GPT-4o can process and understand visual information, expanding its use beyond traditional text-based interactions. OpenAI's decision to make GPT-4 calibers free users of Chatgpt marks a departure from previous models, which were typically restricted to paid users. By removing this pay barrier, OpenAI focuses on free access to cutting-edge AI capabilities, allowing a broader range of users to benefit from advanced AI technology. The rollout of a desktop application and updates to the web UI of Chatgpt are built to improve user experience and accessibility. These enhancements aim to smoothen access to Chatgpt and offer more intuitive interfaces for users to interact with the AI model. GPT-4o's capabilities will be gradually incorporated into Chatgpt, featuring the text and image functionalities. The ability to copy human speech patterns and carry user emotions suggests a more sophisticated level of interaction, similar to the artificial intelligence depicted in the movie Her. This progressive introduction allows OpenAI to fine-tune and optimize GPT-4o's capabilities over time. As OpenAI launches, GPT-4o is defined for operating with unparalleled speed and quickly, enabling real-time reasoning across various formats such as text, audio, and video. This suggests that GPT-4o can quickly process and respond to user prompts or input, providing an easy and efficient user experience. By making GPT-4o available to both paid subscribers and users of the free version of Chatgpt, the mission behind an OpenAI launches GPT-4o is to extend its reach to a wider audience across the globe. This step undermarks OpenAI's commitment to accessing AI technology, ensuring that advanced capabilities are not just limited to a select group of users. OpenAI has released demonstration videos showcasing various features and use cases of GPT-4o on its official YouTube channel. These videos provide examples of how GPT-4o can be used in real-world scenarios, such as guessing activities based on surroundings and facilitating real-time translation. These demos help the potential applications and benefits of GPT-4o in different contexts. Overall, the OpenAI launches GPT-4o, which represents a significant forefront in AI development, promising to transform user experiences and accessibility to advanced AI capabilities.